Kia ora everyone. Taking a look at another line graph ready for Science Fair 2021. I've got some more data. It is the temperature inside a car measured for 5 hours. It can get quite hot, particularly up here in Northland in the summer. And as you can see, there's been a black car and a white car, and their temperature has been measured for 5 hours. So let's get that into a graph using Python. Now, you have got an account on REPL. You've opened up a new REPL. This is an old one. I've just deleted the stuff in there. And now, let's make the graph. So first thing we do is we say import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Again, that is bringing in our toolbox, bringing in all of the bits and pieces that we need in order to make a graph for us, doing all the hard mahi for us. And now we're going to get our results. What needs to go on our x-axis down the bottom? Well, we need the temperature down the bottom, don't we? No, sorry, not the temperature. We need the time down the bottom. I misread that column. We need this column here, the time in hours, on the bottom. So our x is going to be, in square brackets, 0, 1. Space it nicely. The spaces don't matter too much, but we like readability. Oh, only going up to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for our x. And our y is going to equal... I've got two sets here. Okay, maybe let's not call it y. Let's call it black. Black is going to be 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. Nice and easy. And let's get white. White is going to be 15, 19, 23, 27, 31, and 35. Oh no, I've forgotten the square brackets. That's going to cause a problem. Nice and easy though. Highlight what you want to put in brackets. Take that right there. Get your index finger onto the square brackets and it automatically puts it around it. Nice. Okay, easy. Okay. Now, how do we get two sets of data on our plot, on our line graph? We say plt.plot x, black. And then we say plt.plot, don't forget the brackets, x, white. Okay. And then plt.show in order to get it up on the screen. There's the code. One more second on the screen before it disappears. There we go. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, great. Cool. We've got two lines on here. But how do we tell which one is the black car and which one is the white car? And we're still, again, we've got that whole 0, 0 thing going on. We don't have any axes. We don't have any titles. Let's fix these things up again. Okay, so first thing to do is to sort out the labels and the title. plt.title is with a capital temperature of different colored cars. plt.xlabel is going to be, again with the quotation marks, don't forget those. This is text, you need it. Time, and don't forget the unit, in hours. plt.ylabel is going to be temperature. And that's going to be in degrees Celsius. How do you get that little circle to pop up? I'm not sure. Maybe you can figure that out. Have a quick Google. See if you can sort that out. I am just going to say degrees C. You should figure out how to do that little, that nice little circle. There will be a way to do it. There will be a code for it. I don't know it. I'm not looking it up right now. Okay, we need to say PLT dot. PLT dot. I'm drawing a mind blank. PLT dot xlim is going to be 0, and PLT dot ylim. Does your y-axis need to start at 0? No, it doesn't, but it's so close to 0, I want it to. I think it looks ugly without that. Okay. We've got labels, we've got a title, but I still don't have a way to figure out which of these lines is the blue line. Oh, you can't see it. Is the blue line or is the orange line? Is that the black car or is that the white car? I can't see it. I don't know. We need a legend is what we need. We need a legend. So what we say is PLT dot legend. That's it. And it's going to turn up for us. There we go. Oh, it hasn't turned up for us after all. Oh my goodness, I stand corrected. That's because I've forgotten something, which is in these two here, plt.plot x black, plt.plot x white. We actually need this. We need a comma, and we need to say label equals black car. I missed a step. Haha, but we will fix it. Label equals white car. And capitalize the same, please. There we go. We have a legend, and we can see that the black car heated up significantly faster than the white car did. Fancy that. That is a complete graph. Now you can Windows Shift S, print screen around it, or you can do what we did last time, and just above plt.show, you can go plt.save fig car graph .png, and you can do .pdf. If you just change that .png to .pdf, it makes it a bit easier to print. We'll stop it and let's run it. This will take a moment to think it through. Oh, no, wow, that was quick. That was quick today. That's it. We're done. Next video is bar graphs. Ka kite anō.